Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cameras for YouTube that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fujifilm X-T30 mirrorless digital camera. This camera for YouTube has an LCD tilting touchscreen of 3 inches, which features the aspect ratio of 3:2. This 26.1 MP camera is a premium choice for several users when it comes to taking photos and videos. The X-Trans APS-C CMOS 4 sensor of this model offers accurate face and AF detection to move the subjects. The optical viewfinder lets the user in viewing the content exactly the way they capture. It also possesses the video capture resolution of 4K DCI 2160p. You can witness the burst speed of 30 fps by choosing this model. The 4 quad-core X processor CPU which provides accurate and faster face detection for the moving people. The eye detection AF functions in AFC mode, leading to accurate focus tracking for those portrait subjects. It is possible to expand the low light limit to 3 eV to plus 0.5 eV for operating in a bunch of different lighting scenarios. It provides the capabilities for recording 4K videos at the speed of 30 frames every second. For super slow motion, you can click at 1080p at 120 frames in every second. The advanced SR Auto mode is useful in selecting the optimum shooting settings automatically. The Bluetooth V4.2 and ready-made Wi-Fi connectivity provide digital communication along with camera remote application for controlling the camera wirelessly. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Panasonic Lumix GH5 4K digital camera. The manufacturer has satisfied the end users on a wide scale with the 3.2 inches LCD screen. The 20.3 megapixel cameras, along with no pass-filer and micro Four Thirds sensor, allow the potential audience to capture sharp images along with artifact-free and high dynamic range. The digital live MOS sensor is another worthwhile feature of this model. The OLED eye viewfinder boasts of 3680K dots, and you can view the images under the direct sunlight at ease. It is also loved by the end user with the 4K UHD 2160p video resolution. It confers the burst speed of about 60 fps. You will be capable of recording 4K 60p 50p videos along with great motion with the aid of this model. The 4:2:2 10-bit internal recording helps you in capturing sunsets, skies, without any sort of banding. The GH5 is known to eliminate the lens and body shake in 4K video and photo recording. Besides this, the 5-axis body plays an integral role in rectifying all the lenses. It is possible to enhance efficiency and capacity with the relay mode. Other exclusive attributes of this model are freeze-proof, dust-proof, splash-proof, mirrorless design, 4K 60p as well as 30p in the cinematic video, DFD focusing, HDMI terminal along with cable lock, microphone adapter, headphone and microphone terminal, twin SD card slots, magnesium alloy construction. At number 3, we have the Sony RX 107 Premium Compact Camera. The high-resolution 180 degrees up tilting and 90 degrees down tilting LCD monitor of this model boasts of 921K, owing to which it is easy to shoot and frame from low and high angles. The 21 MP camera is packed with some of the premium features and is a winner. It is loved by the end users on a wide scale due to the 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor. Moreover, the XGA OLED electronic TrueFinder includes 2.35 million dots approximately to ensure high contrast, detailed and bright viewing. It also imparts the video capture resolution of 4K UHD 2160p. It also has a burst speed of 90 fps. The low noise and high image resolution level offer amazing image quality along with realistic looking texture. The crown for the stunning portraits goes to advanced eye detection as well as tracking performance. The phase detection focal plane AF points cover about 68% of the frame. You can get more realistic colors and textures with the image processing algorithm and a newly developed image sensor. Other crucial parameters of this unit are 24 to 200 square millimeters zoom lens, external microphone jack, raise image stabilization, touch pad, touch focus, touch shutter, real-time IAF, eye-based real-time tracking, high magnification zoom lens, Zeiss Vario sonar, blackout-free shooting, to name a few. The interval shooting 19 function is capable of performing the continuous shooting along with 1 to 60 interval seconds and A tracking. The most updated BIONZX image processing image is known to open the latest dimension in image quality and speed. You can also find activate mode image stabilization during the recording of 4K videos. At number 2, we have the Canon PowerShot digital camera G7X Mark III. The 3.0-inch LCD touch panel screen of this camera is equipped with the tilt option of about 180 for capturing the selfies. The 21-megapixel camera helps in producing images of high quality. Moreover, 1.0 inches stacked CMOS sensor happens to be another optimum feature of this unit. It has also captivated the heart of the end users with the flexible LCD viewfinder. You can take the vlogging skills to the next level with the 4K UHD 2160p video resolution. The sensor, along with the DIGIC8 processor, stands second to none in conferring premium image quality to ensure faster results. It is inclusive of 4K recording ability along with external microphone terminal, which has earned a high reputation in offering sharp and crisp videos along with reduced sound distortion. With the f1.8 to 2.8 lens aperture, optical image stabilizer, and 4.2x optical zoom, you can capture wide shots, close-ups, and wider shots. You will be capable of creating amazing videos with the amazing zoom power and great 4K video ability. And finally at number 1, we have the GoPro HERO8 waterproof action camera. This camera for YouTubers has successfully captivated the heart of the end users with the touchscreen. You can click audio of premium quality with this 12MP camera. The 4K UHD 2160p video resolution is another worth mentioning feature of this unit. Users can press through any of the 4 lenses to have the best ever view of what they do. Hyper Smooth 2.0 includes several levels of stabilization. The improved and Super Photo HDR, along with the revamped algorithm, provides brilliant action shots with amazing details. The Time Warp 2.0 imparts the prerequisite time warp effect along with automatic speed selection. As the camera is connected with an external microphone and Pro mic adapter of 3.5 mm, you will gain success in capturing audio of high excellence. You will be capable of connecting a bunch of microphones in no time for getting sound of studio quality. Other supreme features of this unit are streamlined design, live streaming in 1080p, expandable mods, live burst, etc. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.